You've heard this. And when they finally left my office, I was able to get back to work. Yeah, not so fast. One of the very best opportunities that we have to make work better and more enjoyable is to nurture workplace relationships. In fact, if you look at employee engagement surveys, some of the key questions revolve around the ability to have strong working relationships and friendships at work. And those relationships and friendships are born out of conversations, both horizontally and vertically within the organization. So let's sit down and have a conversation already. Yes, workplace conversations, long denigrated as something that takes away from the ability to get work done. For example, stop yakking and get back to work. As with everything in life, there is a balance to be had, right? But if you have that right balance of workplace conversations, they are invaluable. And they are definitely part of the work to be done. First of all, let's talk about communications. And again, reflecting upon employee engagement surveys, I can tell you that one of the key areas for improvement in many companies is that communication piece. And you simply cannot improve communications without having strong, robust conversations. And a reminder here, it's not just one person doing a talking. It is talking and it is active listening. It is assuring the other party that you honor them and respect them and hear them by the way that you are listening to what they are saying. That in turn builds trust. So if you're building the relationship, building communications, and building trust, hey, everybody wins. But what about, you say, those conversations that are not work-related, have nothing to do with work in the very least? And again, on balance, I would suggest that's okay. If people know very little about us, it's a smooth surface upon which there is no interaction. But if we share bits of information, we create cogs. So if people want to talk about the game, their knitting, their gardening, their kids' theater performance, that's great. All that creates cogs of information that then allow us to interrelate better. So again, if it's about their performance in soccer, or how their hydrangeas are doing, or the Real Housewives, go ahead and have that conversation. And often the conversation is related to work, which is great because it opens up worlds of possibility through that communication. I have witnessed in my time workplaces that are acculturated to everybody just goes into their cubicle, doesn't say a word for 8 hours, and then leaves. And then I have seen workplaces where there is this great exchange of information throughout each and every day. Which one do you believe is more successful? It's the one where there are active conversations about work happening each and every minute. Listen, conversations are nothing but information, and information makes the world go round. Conversely, if there is a lack of information, the chance of someone or a team being completely blindsided increases multi-fold. Information is one of the keys to great teamwork and great success. So, 2 closing thoughts to emphasize. Be willing to share something about yourself, because that truly creates the relationship that allows people to have a greater trust in your working relationship with them. And secondly, listen, really listen. Make the conversation in front of you a priority so that people know that not only what they're saying, but they themselves are extremely important. So yeah, conversations, great, robust conversations, even conversations that are not necessarily about work, are part of our work to do. If you like this, hit that like button, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you.